Visit the EduKitchen website, link in the description below, to learn more about how we can help you prepare to take popular tests of English, such as the TOEFL iBT. In this video, we will show you the best ways to help you prepare for the TOEFL iBT. At the end of this video, consider signing up to receive our free TOEFL Readiness ebook with important information found in our videos. By visiting our TOEFL iBT blog page, you will find information about the TOEFL iBT meaning, the outline of the test, its purpose, the difference between the TOEFL iBT and the TOEFL ITP, and the format for each section. We also provide links to the official ETS TOEFL website, as well as a link to downloading your free copy of the TOEFL Test Prep Planner. On our blog post, we present the best tips and strategies to understanding the format of each of the sections of the TOEFL iBT. Click to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can also get access to our videos highlighting tips you can follow to improve your test scores for each section of the TOEFL iBT. In the description below, you can find a link to a website that I find useful in helping to practice all types of questions that you find on the TOEFL iBT test. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning for more videos like this and other educational topics. And until next time, keep learning and have fun. Thanks for watching.